If you've ever wondered about your DNA, your ancestry, and maybe even your likelihood of certain diseases, then watch on. Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to this new video. This video for me is something which I am fascinated by. I got contacted by Biomed, who I'm working with on this video, to ask if I wanted to take two tests, one in DNA and one in microbiome, to see kind of my likelihood and my predisposition, a word we're going to be using a lot, for certain diseases. I did these tests about 2 months ago. I'm going to show you exactly what I did in both tests, and then I'll show you my results. Right, so the first one that I'm going to go for, got them both here, is the DNA test. Okay, I've got the instructions here, plus this right here. Okay, register online, Atlas Biomed. Okay, sign up. Barcode. Oh, that was easy. Okay, now what do? Spit into the funnel. Oh my god, okay. That is enough. And that's going. Oh, that's it. Okay, so this goes on 5 seconds. That's it. Oh, that was easy. Close the box, and that is it. Done. Right, second kit, listen to your gut, microbiome kit. Microbiome, we're gonna go with that. Nutrition, metabolism, vitamins and bacteria. Okay, again, first register the kit, only collect sample in the absence of gastroenteritis. Oh God, I think we're doing a sample. There's only so much of this we can film. Wow, look at that. Don't say that I don't push the boundaries of this channel. Register. This toilet accessory, gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna go off for a little bit, I'll be back. Right, okay, I'm gonna post them. We're gonna get the results, I think it says in about 4 to 5 weeks. Right, I have just received an email to say that my DNA and my microbiome test results are in, which I'm excited about. Okay, so health profile, this is like the dashboard for everything I've just answered. We've got health, nutrition, sports, interesting, important recommendations. We've got nutrition, food basket, I'm guessing that's what I'm supposed to be doing, and sports. Oh, it's also giving top 10 foods for this week. Let's start with recommendations, important recommendations, all recommendations. So all your recommendations for disease prevention, nutrition and sports, as well as your personalized food list based on your DNA and microbiome test results. Avoid these foods to your diet to improve your protection against type 2 diabetes. Interesting, my dad has diabetes, so obviously with the questionnaire plus all those, to limit your intake of red meat. Limit your alcohol intake. I do like alcohol, especially red wine. Red wine and red meat. I think we've kind of got a bit of a theme here. So recommended food. There is a list of beneficial foods based on the results of your DNA and microbiome test. Add them to your diet can reduce disease risk, strengthen your immune system. That's cool. This week's recommendations are aimed at improving the following: dietary fiber. That's cool. And then at the same time as this, oh my God, restrict your intake of these foods. Everything there is literally my favorite things. Olives, I can literally eat a tub, actually I ate a tub of olives last night. Alcohol, beef, lamb, pork, salt, soya. Okay, alcohol. High blood pressure. I mean, they've even got a picture of a martini there for high blood pressure. Okay, what else? Okay, fine, that is interesting. So I have to cut those things down and up these things. I like how easy this is actually to sort of work stuff out. Personal traits, this should be interesting. How susceptible I think I am to these various things. Diabetes type 2, yeah, as I said, my dad. Hypothyroidism. Obesity is low, that is good, although this boy is carrying some pounds. Crohn's disease, all pretty low. Nervous system, Alzheimer's, wow. Okay, that's interesting. These are the kind of things that I feel like, I mean, I'm 30, so I'm not worrying about these sort of things, but it's the kind of things that I would keep in my mind. Alzheimer's is fairly low, Parkinson's disease is fairly low, sensory organs, so age-related muscular degeneration is low. That's cool. So really, my key things are to sort of change my diet for type 2 diabetes, and really for the high blood pressure. Okay, ancestry. DNA makes it possible to track down your distant ancestors. And look at that, play video. I'm 100% Europe. There you go, guys. I'm literally just European. I wanted a hint of something in my ancestry, but that's all we're getting with me. Central Europe is 50%, East Europe 15%, North Europe is 15%, South Europe 11%, so I don't have any of that sort of Mediterranean vibe, probably hence the world's whitest skin. And West Europe 7%. Well, there you go. I am interested. I'm gonna kind of put all of this into effect and kind of see what these things do for me, and I'll check back in with you very, very soon. So that was about, you know, a couple of weeks ago, and I've had it in my mind. You know, as soon as I read all that stuff with you guys, I did more reading. I've been spending a lot of time at night actually in bed with the iPad doing more reading about these sort of studies and about my predisposition to various things. I think for me the key thing about this is the prevention. You know, nothing's a cure, but curbing my red meat intake. I love red meat. I've actually been buying less. I've been eating more fish actually. I've been trying to drink less. I say I've not stopped drinking. I do enjoy a drink with my friends. I love a red wine. I love a martini. This has provided me with the information to prevent things. And I know that so many of you too will be watching this thinking, what is my sort of likelihood of this? What can I do? What should I be eating? What should I be eating? So I'm going to link absolutely everything down below for Atlas Biomed. But thank you very much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed this. Maybe you find it interesting too. If you have, and you've not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please do press subscribe right now. The button is just up there. There's also more video suggestions down there. Stay with me and watch them, or head to my blog, it's there. My podcast, my Instagram is up there. But I'll see you in my next new video. Bye-bye.